Good afternoon, guys. I'm going to make a video presentation about LCG method from Midship. So this is in connection with the trim instability of a vessel, and the name of the vessel is MV Nara. It is a 4-hole vessel. So let's start, guys, with the exercises or exercise. This is the one. 7.4. This is MV Nara light displacement, meaning light ship is 6,772 metric tons and LCG is 3863 up of a midship. C is to load full cargo of barley with storage factor of 1.40 metric tons per cubic meter per metric tons. The weights as already on board is distributed as follows. So FO, you have these figures. DO, press water. So for example, in hold 1 to 4, he has already loaded the weight from each hold, and the total cargo is 2215. This is the LCG of each hold, and this is the LCG moment. Total cargo is 22015, and the LCG moment is negative 1090993. I made a Excel form, so it would be very easy to compute. So total cargo is 22015, and the LCG moment is 1090993. 2215. So I got here 2215. Okay. Then we have now the next is the press water. Press water is 450, and the LCG moment is 17448 negative. This is the LCG for each tank. So we go to the press water. So I go to the press water. So I go down. This is the press water is 450, and LCG moment is 174448 negative 174448. Press water is negative 17448. Okay. Then next we go to the fuel oil. The fuel oil is 987. Okay. Fuel, and the LCG is negative 8828. So we go to the fuel oil. So fuel oil, this one is total 987. Fuel oil is 987, and the LCG moment is negative 8828. Fuel oil is negative 8829. Okay, put here 29. Then we go to diesel oil. So we go to diesel oil. Okay, that is the fuel. Then we go now to diesel oil is 54 metric tons. I got here 54, and the LCG moment is 2875. 2875 diesel oil, 2875, and the next will be the constant of 280. So we go to the constant. Constant is 280. LCG is 3863. 3863, and the LCG moment is 10816. 10816, and the total dead weight is 23786. Dead weight is 23786. Dead weight is 23786, and the total LCG moment is 121677. 121679, and the light chip is 6772, the LCG is 852, and the moment LCG is 57679, which is, I'm sorry, light chip is 6772 and 852, got here 852 and 57697, got here 57697, and total displacement is 30558, got here 30558, and the LCG moment is 63981, negative 63981, and the final LCG is negative 2094. I got here negative 2094. Okay, so I made this trim stability sheet by Excel to confirm the amount. Okay, so to get the final LCG is LCG moment, which is this one, over your displacement, which is this one. So it is LCG moment is negative 16981 over displacement of 30588, and your final LCG is negative 2094. Okay, so I put here in the next column the LCG is negative 209. Now the displacement of 30558, what is the corresponding drop? Since this is the final displacement of 30558, what will be his drop? So we will check the hydrostatic table. Okay, what will be his drop with this displacement of 30558? Okay, then I go to the hydrostatic table, which is this one. Right, this is the hydrostatic table, and I scroll down to the program, which is this one. Sorry, I put now the displacement of 30558. Okay, put here 30558, and the corresponding drop is 9457. 9457. Oh, sorry, 9457. That is in salt water because your get a figure from the hydrostatic table. So the new displacement is 30558, and the drop is 9.457 salt water. This drop is the mean drop. Okay, so let's take the LBC, LCF, MTC, TPC. So what is LCB? Go to the program. LCB is negative 3.321. Okay, 321. LCB is negative 3.321. So I just put 32. Then we go LCF is negative 0.44. So LCF is negative 0.44. So it is round off. That's why it's 0.44 here. Okay. MTC is 363.28. MTC 363.28. MTC is 363.28. Okay, confirm. Next would be TPC of 3539. TPC is 3539. Okay, and the next would be the ship's LPP, or length between perpendicular, is ship's length perpendicular is LPP is 151. Okay, so we have already confirmed the details or the figures that we have already had this information. Now the first thing to do is you can compute for the trim. Okay, the trim. So what we have to do first is, in this figure, we will put this final LCG of 2.09. If you are negative, meaning you are, if this is your amidship, you are forward part of the vessel. If it is negative, so your final LCG is negative 2.09. So from amidship, this line is the amidship. You go forward, measure 2.09. This will be your final LCG, which is this one. Okay, this will be your final LCG of negative 2.09. Then your LCB, which is 3.32. When you say positive, it is above of your vessel, behind, that's why it's positive. So from midship, you measure backward about 3.2, let's say around here. This will be 3.2. That will be your LBC. Okay. Now we have now our LCG, we have now our LCB, and our displacement is how much? 30,558. 30,558. Okay. From the formula of how to get trim is displacement times final LCG minus LCB over MTC. Your MTC is 363.28 times 100. Okay, so you transpose the formula, so you have displacement of 30,558, which is 30,558. Okay, times your final LCG, which is negative 2.09, and your LCB is positive 3.32. Okay, so first you apply this equation of final LCG minus LCB, and the resultant to that is negative 1.23. Negative because you have a higher value of LCG, which is negative. So you have here negative 1.23, and the displacement, you carry on the displacement of 30,558 over your MTC, which is 363.28 times 100. Okay, multiply these two, displacement in your, we call this the distance, that will be negative 3756. Multiply MTC with 100, that will be 36328, and your trim will be negative 1.03. Okay, now take note that the trim is negative, meaning if you're negative, look at the position of the LCG. This is the LCB. He is now forward part of the LCB. He is forward of LCB, meaning if this is the weight of the vessel, or the weight of the cargoes, the fuel, and everything, the tendency of the weight, the gravity will push the vessel downward. So that's why it's a clockwise. So this will go down, as in like in a swing. When this part here will go down, of course the other part will go up, rise up. So it's like a swing. If this goes down, this will go up. So because of the gravity of the weight being forced from the LCG, the tendency of the forward part of the vessel is to go down, sink. Okay, while the LCB, the buoyancy, the rule of the buoyancy or the buoyancy is to push the vessel upward because of the buoyancy. So you will have a clockwise direction. So meaning if you're going to go up here, the stern of the vessel will go up, you will have a less drop here, and when the forward part will go down, so you will have more drop here. And take note, if LCG, meaning LCG, this one, is forward of LCB, meaning this is your LCB, is forward of LCB, then you are trimmed by the head. Because you are trimmed by the head, because the weight here pushes the vessel forward to sink, while the buoyancy on the up part will push the vessel upward, which is the clockwise direction. So you will be trimmed by the head. So trim, put here, trim by the head. Okay, put this one, put it. Okay, you are trimmed by the head. Okay, now after you have get the value of the trim, which is negative 1.03, now you will compute for the change of drop forward. Okay, the change of drop forward is 1/2 LPP plus LCF over LPP. The ship's vessel LPP is 151. So I have already put it here. So LPP is 151. And the LCF is, how much? LCF is negative 0.44. So negative 0.44. Negative 0.44, and your LPP is 151, 1/2 of 151 is 75.5, okay? So, take note of the formula, 1/2 LPP plus LCF. So, 75.5 plus negative 0.44 over LPP 155 times your trim, which is negative 103, and you apply this equation, that will be 0.06, okay? Because you add, that will be 7506 over your LPP 151 times your trim of negative 1.3. The result of this division is 0.50 times your trim, and your change of drop forward will be negative 0.51, okay? That will be your change of drop forward. Okay, take this out. Then you have already your change of drop forward, then you will look for change of drop up. The formula is the trim minus change of drop forward. So your trim is negative 1.03 minus your change of drop forward, which is negative 51, and change of drop up will be negative 52. Okay, 0.52. Then you apply now the equation to get your forward and up drop. So your hydrostatic drop is 9.457 forward, and up will be 9. Put this, put it 9.457 up, which is your main drop. This one, 9.457. Okay. Then you apply now your change of drop. Your change of drop forward, which is negative 5.1, and up is negative 5.2. Now take note of the drawing or the figure, because LCG is ahead, is forward of LCB, so you are trimmed by the head. This will go down, this will go up. Okay, so trimmed by the head. Look at the direction here. This will sink and this will rise. So when the forward part of the vessel will sink, meaning you will have less trim or less drop. So meaning forward you will have, I'm sorry, when the vessel sinks, you will have more drop here, because it will go down, you will have more drop, and up drop, when it goes up, you will have less drop here. So forward, when he sinks, you will have more drop. So forward part, the change of drop forward, which is this one, you add this one. So when you add 9.457 plus negative 0.51, that will be your drop forward, will be 9.97. This will be your drop forward. Okay. Now we go to up drop, because this will go down, this will rise up, just like a swing. So when this part will sink or go down, of course this up part will rise up, meaning this will be have less drop here. So what you do is your up drop, apply your change of drop up, which is 0.52, you subtract the change of drop up from your mid drop of 9.457, and the resultant will be 8.94. Okay, so you take note that you have more drop forward and less drop up, meaning you are trimmed by the head. Okay, so this is your forward of 9.97, up is 8.94, and your trim is negative 103. You deduct 9 point forward drop of 9.97 minus your up drop of 9.94, then you will have a trim of 1.03 negative, because you are trimmed by the head. And to get the mean is you add forward and drop, divide by 2, then your mean drop is 9.45, which is this one, 9.45. Okay. Excuse me. Then there is another another solution. There's another solution. You put the hydrostatic drop, which is 9.45, which is your main drop. You apply your forward change of drop, change of drop forward, which is 0.51. You add this one, then your forward drop will be 9.97, which is the same. Then you apply your trim. Okay. You deduct your trim of 1.013, and your up drop will be 8.94, which is the same. So this is another solution from this one. Okay. So I made this Excel form to confirm our answers to this trim stability sheet. Okay. and this is excuse me, let me get the other one. Pictures. Okay. I think this one. Yeah. Open with photo. Should be bigger, and so this is the same, guys. I just moved it in Excel. The displacement is 30558 and the final ICG is 2.094, which is this one. Okay, the displacement is 30558 and the final LCG is, I put it to negative 2.09. I just disregard the 4. Then the next, the trim. The formula of trim is displacement times final LCG minus LCB over MTC times 100, and the resultant of the trim is 1.03. This should be negative, and he got here, I got trim is negative 1.03, which is trimmed by the head. Okay, as I have explained from this figure. Then the next, change of drop forward. His change of drop forward is 1/2 LPP plus LCF over LPP, and this answer is 0.518. I got change of drop forward is negative 0.51. Okay, he got 518. I got 51, and his change of drop up is 0.512, and I got half change of drop up is 0.52. Okay, and his drop forward, upon applying this change of drop forward and up, his drop forward will be 8.942. I got forward is 9. Is this up? Excuse me. I want to recheck. Drop forward is 8.942. Forward should be minus, okay? Plus. This should be plus because this should be plus because you are trimmed by the head. Because you are trimmed by the head, according to my figure, you are trimmed by the head because the LCG, final LCG is forward of LCB. Okay, just take note, the LCG is negative 209, and your LCB is positive 3.22. So she's behind the amidship because it's positive. So final LCG is forward of LCB. That's why you are trimmed by the head. Now, if LCG is forward of LCB, you are trimmed by the head. So, this equation should be plus and this one minus. It's the other way around. Okay? So I hope you will take note of that, guys. and the right figure should be forward, should be more drop forward and less drop up. So your drop forward should be 9.997. Okay, what did he have? This should be the drop forward. And up should be 8.94. And up is 8.94. It's the other way around. So this is correct, guys, because you are trimmed by the head. That's why it's negative here. Okay. And he put here positive. His trim is positive. That's why you are not trimmed by the stern. By inspection, trim is by the stern if the final ECG is above of tabulated position. By calculating using sign numbers, positive trim means trim by the stern and negative trim by the head. Now look, it says here, you are trimmed by the stern if the final ECG is above the tabulated position of the LCB. It is above, meaning behind. But the figure that what we have, okay, the final LCG is forward of LCB. He is not above. Why? Because the LCG of final LCG is -2.09. So he is somewhere here, forward of your midship. And your LCB, the figure is positive 3.32. So meaning, if you are positive, you should be on the up part of a midship. So 3.32, you measure from your midship going backward, and this will be your LCB. So meaning, final LCG is ahead of LCB. He is not above. He is ahead. That's why you are trimmed by the head, because the tendency of the buoyancy of this LCG is to put the vessel forward down. And the LBC, the buoyancy here is to put the vessel up. So this will go up and this will go down. So it's a clockwise direction, and it's like a swing. When this goes down, this goes up. That's why our trim is trimmed by the head, which is negative 1.03. Okay, I hope that's clear, guys. Now if you have any questions, please write on the comment below. And if you like this video, please click the like button, share, and subscribe. And please don't forget to click the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.